I'm deep in the mountains of Montenegro, spending the night in the snow, camping, building a fort. But in order to even get there, first I have to build my own snowshoes. Okay, I have the outer shape almost ready. I'm not sure how I attach my feet to it, but I'm gonna come up with something very easy. I think it's gonna be great. Okay, moment of truth. In German we say, I'll eat a broom if this actually works. Whew. So one side keeps getting loose and I'm just dragging it behind cause one of the branches broke. Okay, the other side is holding up quite well. I need some new wood, I will fix it and then evaluate how good of an idea this actually is.
Oh, good job.
Yeah, it's an experiment.
Good luck.
Thank you. So they think I'm an absolute idiot, I think. I mean, they're nice, but they're also right. Oh, it's 3:15. Still 3 hours of sunlight. I will camp here tonight, but I don't want to camp on the snowmobile track. I need to get up a little bit. The more I make it up the mountain without being unresponsible, the better it gets. This is just the outer edge of this area. So we're gonna push a bit. Get down there actually into the valley and probably camp somewhere between the rocks. I think that's the wiser decision. I have 2 more hours of daylight. I want to have a proper camp and not get into the unknown too much. I have enough unknown on my shoes. So let's go. This rock over there, this might be it. That's for the cold air to sink in. Okay, check it out. This might need to be a little longer, but that's perfect. But it's wet for some reason. Let's hope the sun dries it out still. My footsteps are now frozen. That's helpful. Huh. Always stuck. Ui. Jet engine. Lots of water. So I forgot it's Sunday and Easter actually, so no stores are open, and so we're gonna have last night's pizza. It was really good, so I won't complain. I will just heat the individual slices up with a little water and then eat them. So. Okay, that's actually genius. Cheers, last one. Wow. It's nice, isn't it? Okay, good night. See you tomorrow. If anything happens, which I don't hope, I tell you. I'm pooped. Good night. Good morning. Everything is frozen rock solid. I don't even need the snowshoes this morning. This is going to be super quick out here because it's frozen rock solid. That's nice. Here's a good example. So this is how deep you get in without snowshoes yesterday, and this is my track from yesterday. Oh, there's even one of my tracks here. So definitely worked. Another one, another normal footstep. Whoop. Okay, I'm back to where I built the snowshoes yesterday, which poses the question, would I recommend this and would I do it again? And the clear answer is no, I wouldn't recommend it. Would I do it again? Absolutely. I think I know what to improve. I would probably prepare more at home. I would use a different rope, one that's natural fiber, that's not that slippery. I would make sure that I clamp everything together so it's not spreading. And I would use way more rope, because the little I had yesterday was not enough. I think that's my takeaway. Yeah. Okay, this is the pickup point. I'm waiting for my ride now. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. There's lots of stuff like this on the channel, and hopefully see you on the next one. Bye bye.